everyone. I'm Dwaramjit, a Google developer, and today we are diving into Claude AI, the most powerful AI assistant right now. And we are going to have a step-by-step tutorial how to use Claude or how to run code, like what Claude can provide you, which type of features it has, and also I will guide you about prompt engineering, that which prompts work better and provide you better results. So let's start with it. Whether you are a student, developer, or just getting started, I will walk you through each and every step you need to know. So firstly, head over to Claude AI website, which is showing, or you can easily access it by Anthropic website. So by clicking here, you guys have to make the account simply by providing your Gmail account, and after that you will have this type of interface. This is where you will type your prompts. Think of it like messaging a super smart friend, but one who can summarize books, write code, or brainstorm ideas instantly. Let's start with simple examples. You can command him to write an essay like instead of saying that write me a essay, you can transform your prompt in the way that write a 500 essay on climate change with three key arguments. The clearer your instructions, the better Claude performs. And then here's where to execute your command. And it's a thinking procedure. It will summarize each and everything for you, do whatever you want. Here's your essay. Which you can easily download from here. It can write your code or even build the entire app for you. So here's the demo. Like build me the car racing app. And here you go. It will code each and everything for you. Claude can also help with coding, analyzing long documents, or even role-playing scenarios for practice. It's like having a research assistant and tutor rolled into one. So here's the interface which you guys can see of your car racing game. And if you are a developer concerned about coding skills, you can see coding here. It has already coded 323 code lines, which obviously takes a lot of time for humans to do. So here's your code script. And that's it, your quick guide to using Claude AI. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Our next video is on the topic of how to build employees by Claude, like how actually AI can replace your job.